What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1969 Z-28 Camaro. This one here is a frame-off resto car. It's also got a 302 DZ V8 motor under the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering setup. It's got disc brakes. It's got some performance upgrades under the hood as well. Has an MSD ignition, headers, and Flowmasters. There's a 12-bolt rear under this car with subframe connectors, bucket seats, and a console. This is a sweet, sweet ride. Hurst shifter, and a lot more upgrades we're going to be going over in this video. Dual exhaust out the back, and the paint on this thing is just sweet. Absolutely love Camaros, and this one right here is one of the nicest we've had. All the trim's nice and shiny, everything's clean. I do have detailed pictures of this car at maplemotors.com, so be sure to check it out. I've even got the top for the air cleaner there. Insulation all up under the hood. But we're gonna be walking around. Any chips, scratches, any flaws that I see, I'm gonna point them out and I'll find them. Not gonna be many at all, but if they're there, I will find them. So we're gonna get started here. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We upgrade our website every Monday with new inventory. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. I have shipping and I have financing for all these cars. We'll go ahead and open the trunk, make this a little bit easier for us. Let's get the right key. We got a bunch of them on here. I'm gonna go back with a square. And it is the last key that I use. That's funny. Here we go. This is what I was talking about, the ring that goes around under the hood. You got new weather stripping in here as well. Put the keys in the ignition. Let's get down low, check the bottom of this car. We're also going to do some undercarriage shots. Let's get started. Front end of this car is nice and shiny. All the chrome looks brand new. Coming down the lower portion of the car, in good shape, practically new tires. They don't have very many miles on them. Looking down the lower portion first, like I do. Coming back to midsection here. There's something in the paint there right below the door handle. Hopefully you can see it. It's very light. It's like some little specks there. Let's see if I can block it with the sun for a second. There's also a little bit of it in the door there. Not 100% sure. It's under the paint though. It's not chips or anything. It looked like something that was under the paint whenever it was painted. This car is beautiful. Same thing is right here, but I mean, this stuff is really hard to see, and I doubt it's even popping up on the camera right now. But I'm being super picky about this car. Continue to look around here. It's right there on the hood too. I don't know what that is. It's almost like chemical peel, like when they first painted it. But it's so small, I don't even think it's popping up on my camera here. Sorry, I'm trying to make it pop up, guys. I'm not trying to waste any time here. Okay, let's go around the windshield. All new chrome, mirrors. Very light scratch there, and that will buff out. That is just sitting on top. Somebody must have brushed by the car. I could probably do that with a quick hand wax just in that area and then knock it off. Let's go around the back. Looks like fairly new bumper on the back. Not seeing any flaws. Checking in the trunk here. Let's pull her up. Oh yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Nice and clean. But this seats it up around the hood. Looking up in the package tray, very solid. Got some speakers back here. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Hope that wasn't too loud. New tail lights. This is such an awesome car. Let's see how easy the trunk shuts. I just kind of dropped it down on it first to see if it would latch. Got to push it a little bit. And it lines up great. We're going to do the same thing down this side. Anything I see, I will let you know. Really light scratching on the trim here. I mean, normally I wouldn't even point that out, but this car has been so perfect so far. That is from people getting in and out of the car. Very minor. Tell the emblems are even new. It's just perfectly straight. Okay. The same little spots on this side here. Maybe I can use the sun to make them show off. You see that? You can see them right there in the sun. Cool. That's what I'm talking about. They're very minor, very small. And I mean, you have to get right up on it to even see them. Back here, you can't even see it at all. That was from the actual painter himself. All right. Let's check the interior out on this car. Very clean, new carpet, new trim, new door panels, new weather stripping. Underside of the door solid, clean, and spotless, with the paint's just shining just as good as the exterior here. There's a big old packet back here showing tons of receipts. Back seat's in great shape. We do got a mechanic's headliner in here though. Needs to be tightened up. It looks new. Just needs to be stretched. You see it? Okay. Looks like majority of our gauges worked. I noticed there was a temp gauge under the hood. I'd have to move that inside the car just to keep an eye on it better. 4-speed transmission, brake is working. We're gonna try everything out in this car. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I didn't touch the fuel. It's idling out pretty good. Oil pressure's up there. Way up there. This temp gauge is falling, but like I said, they had the temp gauge under the hood there. I'll almost just bring it back in the car. The old gauge is coming up. Choke team gauge. Tach is working. Brake light works on the dash. Showing 86,000 miles. The clock is working. Wipers look like they're brand new. We'll go ahead and cut the headlights on. And the horn, you ready? It works. The dash in this thing. Got the brights on, even the bright light works. Of course, down here in the floor is where you turn them off and on. Oh, I love how the clock's got a light in it, and it's green. It's really cool. Heat, let's see. We have a blower motor. Did this car have, this car didn't have AC under the hood, did it? Let's look. It sure didn't. That motor's nice and quiet. Got an awesome cam sound. New carburetor. Coming down with the hood, nice and slow. I mean, I'm just barely pushing it. It's greased up good. It lines up near perfect. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots next, and we're going for a ride. Be looking for that test drive. I'll link it to the end of this video. Let's look under. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I post classic cars pretty much every day. Check us out, maplemotors.com. I have shipping, I have financing, all of our inventory, and 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We do test drives and walk-arounds here on YouTube. We also do full lot walks once a week, every Monday, sometimes Tuesday. This last week we had some snow come in, so I just waited till Tuesday to do the lot walk. People were asking that question. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm ready to drive this car, so be looking for that test drive. We're taking her down the road. I'll see y'all on the next one. Later, guys.